muscles of the cervical spine. First here we'll see atlantoaxial joint. Atlantoaxial joint. So in this atlantoaxial joint, first one, flexion of the cervical spine. Flexion of the cervical spine is produced by the longus capitis. Longus capitis muscle is going to produce the flexion. And this and one more muscle, rectus capitis anterior, muscle, and one more muscle, sternocleidomastoid. So these are the muscles which will help in the flexion of the atlanto-occipital joint. And extension of the atlanto-occipital joint is produced by the recti cavity posterior major and minor. Posterior major and minor, this is one muscle. And one more muscle, oblique capitis superior and semispinalis capitis. And one more muscle, that is splenius capitis. Okay, these are the extensor muscles of the atlanto-occipital joint. And lateral flexor muscles. So the lateral flexor muscles which are helpful for the lateral flexion means rectus capitis lateralis muscles, and semispinalis capitis muscle, and splenius capitis muscle, and sternocleidomastoid muscle. These muscles are going to helpful for the lateral flexion and rotation. So here this is about atlanto-occipital joint. So lateral flexion and rotation will be happen by these muscles, and some special muscles in the rotation. Some special muscles, okay, which are going to provide the rotation means oblique capitis superior muscle, and rectus capitis posterior minor, and splenius capitis sternocleidomastoid. So almost same like these muscles only. So these two are the special muscles which are going to provide rotation in the atlanto-occipital joint. Now we will see remaining lower cervical vertebra. So in this lower cervical vertebra, so see here the flexion movement is going to be produced by the longus colli muscle, and scalene muscles also will helpful in the flexion of the lower cervical vertebra. And extensors of the lower cervical region. Extension mostly it is produced by the muscles which are going to produce extension in the cervical spine. They are able to produce rotation also. Now we'll see which muscles are helpful for the extension and opposite side rotation. Movement. That muscles are the multifidus muscle, and rotators multifidus muscle, and semispinalis. So these muscles will helpful for the same opposite side rotation and extension movements. If the muscles which are going to helpful for the only extension plus same side rotation, those muscles are the oblique capitis, and one more muscle, erector spinae. So these are the muscles which are going to helpful for the movements of the cervical spine. So if we were discussing about muscles, it is like very vast to discuss about muscles. We'll start one series like skeletal muscles of the entire body. In those series I will discuss about each and every muscle. So here for this topic, here I'm just saying the muscle names. Okay.